Well, we rented a sod cutter and Joel went and picked it up today. We just got it here. And we're gonna use this, let's see, it looks like a Class and Pro sod cutter to cut in our lavender beds today. It's 100 degrees today. We've got a tent here that'll hopefully give us a little bit of shade. And we've got the garden beds sprayed with landscape spray to give us better guidelines. I just used a pole here and a rope to connect our dig marks and sprayed our beds. Hopefully this goes well and it goes quickly, because once again it's 100 degrees, so hopefully this little machine will do what it's supposed to. Fantastic. Like, look how smooth. Great. because it's 100 degrees, I can only do 7 of these rolls before I need a break here under my Easy Up. So I just do 7 rolls, take a break. 7 rolls, take a break. It's a hot one, guys. So these are nice, tidy 3-foot beds. And then 6-foot aisles. This one's only half rolled up. This one's half rolled up. It's already looking like a farm, babe. How'd that sod cutter work out?
Pretty good. I'm so tired that I could not stand or talk right now.